This type of AI videos are becoming very viral these days, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do it. So first of all, we need to go to the platform novoads.ai, the link is going to be in the comment section, and here you need to create an account. After that, we need to go to the image section, and here we need to click in settings. Now here, we need to use the following image settings, and here where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click this button, and now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect, here we have the result, and now we have to choose the image we like the most. Personally, I like this one, so I'm going to download this image. Now we have to go to the video section, and now we have to click in settings. Here, in model, we're going to use Seedance 2.0 Mini. This because for this type of AI videos, is a very good model, and it is very cheap. So now, in duration, I'm going to use 8 seconds, and here I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt as well is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here and upload the image that we download. So let's click here, and now we have to click here. Let's click in generate, and now we have to wait more or less 3 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
Not even I can save this.
Well, I don't know what you think, but I like it a lot, the video. So if you want to do videos like this one, I want to tell you that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.